this is the background of my video, while this is the background of my image. You can change background of any image with few clicks. How, what to do, everything I will tell you in this video, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's jump to the PC screen directly. Now you can see that this is my original captured image. Now I modified like this and I modified like this. Here I have changed the background by removing the background of this background. Then I have added a new background, and this is the final outcome. So first step is how to remove background. For this we get a simple tool that is called remove bg. If you search in Google remove bg, you will come to picture that remove bg website is coming. Now you click over remove bg. Now in the remove bg you upload your image, whatever image you want, you upload it. So now I'm going to upload a image. Let's say I want to upload this image. I have chosen this image, upload. Now this is uploading the image. Now it will remove the background. Here you can see it has removed the background. Now you can download it, or for high resolution you have to download it. Now download, and it is downloaded my image. If I go to open it, you can see that currently the background, the wall background has been removed. Now I want to change a background. So for this I have a simple tutorial previously I have taught you that how to do all the image work using pixel art. So now in simple click also we can change the background. So go to pixel art editor. Now this is a online editor tool. Go to online photo editor. Now there is two options, one is Pixlr X, Pixlr E. I will go for Pixlr E, and here first let's come to download a copyright free image. So the best tool is pixabay.com. so you can download any image. So simple background I want to put, let's say I want to put this background. Go to download it, just quick steps, download it. Now the download has been completed. I will import that image. So create new, choose your size. I will choose size like this, then create. Then I will import that file. Just I recently downloaded. This is my downloaded image. This is fine, looks fine. Now I will add one more layer, add image as a layer. Use the image of a background removal image. You can see I have increased the size. Now I will save it. Very simple. Save it. Download it. It's so simple. Yeah, my image has been downloaded. You can see that my background image has been changed. Currently my background image looks something like this. My background image looks something like this, and I got a result something like this. This is a quick step, very easy tool. Go ahead and do all the image work. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. However, you can check out my other videos in my YouTube channel itself. So right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.